Hi friends, this is Doreen, and you know there's so many different ways to make macaroni salad for your summer picnics. So here's one for you. I am going to use about 3/4 a cup of mayonnaise to about a pound of elbow macaroni. Put a little bit of chopped sweet or yellow onion. About half of an onion will do. A couple of stalks of celery chopped small. And then here is my favorite way is green olives. I used about a little over half of a jar of green olives. I chopped them finely in my mini chopper so you don't have big chunks of olive in there. So if you have people that are not fond of that texture, that's chopped up small, and if they don't like green olives, then maybe this isn't the recipe for them or for you if you don't like it. But also, what makes it a little something special is about a quarter cup of the olive juice. That's why you'll see in this jar I used up for a couple of different recipes, so don't have any juice left in there. Salt and pepper to taste, and then this triple cheddar cheese. I used about 3/4 of a package. This is about an 8-ounce bag, so mix that all together. Let it sit overnight for the optimal flavor, and it's great for your next picnic, your next summer picnic. So go ahead and boil your pasta in some salted water. Drain it good. Let it cool before you add the mayo. You can go ahead and add the olive juice now. That gets really into the pasta nicely. Enjoy this recipe.